everyone, Tabitha Schwanbeck, Instructional Technology Coach. And today's Tuesday Tech Tip is how to organize Classlink Launchpad. As you know, Classlink is now replacing Clever. It has all the apps that we use as a district and makes it just a one-stop shop to get to for you, for teaching, and for your students. So if you remember to get to Classlink, the top left, if you're signed in to your GSCS account, you should see the GSCS links folder. Once you click that, Classlink is the first icon. Once you click on that, you should have it set up to sign in with Google. If not, there was a video on how to get that set up to sign in with Google. As you can see, mine looks different than yours just because I took some time to build some folders to make it easy and more organized to my preference. So depending on what you use, what you teach, what subject, what your position is, depends on how you're going to organize your Launchpad. With Classlink, you can do several different things. You can add tags, you can add folders, you can also make favorites. You can even add your own apps. All you need is the URL or the website, copy and paste it, and merge it over. But today we're going to go over how to add folders to organize all your resources. Everyone should have the central office folder and the guides, and if you click on those, it has all the resources to help you guide you with all the new resources and technology programs that we have available in the district. So to make your own folders, let's say you want to make an ELA folder and put all the ELA tabs that you use into that folder. So you're just going to right click on your dashboard and click Add Folder. You can name it ELA. You can even choose the color, what color you want it to be. Okay, once you like the color, and then click Create. And now you can see I have my yellow ELA folder. So let's say we go in here under Assessments and you want iReady into your ELA folder. I'm going to right click and say Remove from Folder. Now there is iReady and I want it moved into my ELA folder. I'm going to right click. And it's not like your iPhone where you can just drag and drop. Fortunately, you have to right click on the icon, click Add to Folder, and all the folders that you have will come up. I'm going to choose ELA, and it is added now into my ELA folder. All right, I hope this helps with your Classlink organization. Please email or reach out with any questions.